Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Guys, be ready for our legal dictations which is relevant to any court skill examinations, whether it is Punjab and Haryana High Court skill examination or Bihar upcoming civil court skill examinations or Jharkhand High Court skill examination. So be ready for it. 5 seconds. Start. Thus, the legislative scheme for permission to establish a medical college prescribes, as a qualifying criterion, that the applicant must have an essentiality certificate issued by the state government, full stop. The state government certifies the justification for establishing a proposed medical college as a part of the legislative scheme under the Act, full stop. It does not do so under any other law including a state enactment, full stop. The only purpose of the essentiality certificate is to enable the central government acting under section 10A to take an informed decision for permitting the opening or establishment of a new medical college, full stop. Once the college is established, its functioning and performance and even the derecognition of its courses is controlled only by the provisions of the IMC Act and not any other law, full stop. The IMC Act, which is a legislation under Schedule 7, list first entry 66 of the Constitution of India, is a complete code which governs the establishment, functioning, including maintenance of standards of education and even derecognition of medical colleges wide section 19 of the Act, full stop. The states are endowed of the legislative power to legislate on medical education under entry 25 of the concurrent list, since Parliament has exercised its power under entry 66 and enacted the IMC Act wide Preeti Srivastava versus State of MP, full stop. It would be impermissible to allow any authority, including a state government, which merely issues an essentiality certificate, to exercise any power which could have the effect of terminating the existence of a medical college permitted to be established by the central government, full stop. This the state government may not do either directly or indirectly, full stop. Moreover, the purpose of the essentiality certificate is limited to certifying to the central government that it is essential to establish a medical college, full stop. It does not go beyond this, full stop. In other words, once the state government has certified that the establishment of a medical college is justified, it cannot at a later stage say that there was no justification for the establishment of the college, full stop. Surely a person who establishes a medical college upon an insurance of a state government that such establishment is justified cannot be told at a later stage that there was no justification for allowing him to do so, full stop. Moreover, it appears that the power to issue an essentiality certificate is a power that must be treated as exhausted once it is exercised, comma, except of course in case of fraud, full stop. The rules of equity and fairness and promissory estoppel do not permit this court to take a contrary view, full stop. In this case, comma, the reasons given by the state for rescinding the essentiality certificate are not relevant or germane to the establishment of a medical college, full stop. They refer to the deficiencies in the functioning of a medical college for a particular period, full stop. Deficiencies by their nature are curable and can be removed, full stop. To allow the state government to withdraw an essentiality certificate and say that it is no more essential that there should be a college at all, comma, would lead to gross arbitrariness, since logically the existence of the medical college would again be justified if the deficiencies are removed, full stop. The question of justified existence of a college and the irregular oblique illegal functioning of an existing college belong to a different order of things and cannot be mixed up, full stop. A certificate constitutes a solemn statement by an authority certifying certain conditions of things, full stop. Persons acting on such certificates are entitled to assume that the certificate will ensure and not be pulled out from under their feet for extraneous reasons, full stop. We find that none of the reasons for withdrawing the essentiality certificate pertain to factors which are certified as true in the prescribed form to reproduced above, full stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन था, होप सो आप लोग इसे अच्छे से लिखे होंगे। इसे अच्छे से आप ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए, अपनी एरर को चेक कीजिए, अपनी एरर से इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कीजिए और ये लगातार ये सीरीज चलता रहेगा जब तक कि कोर्ट के एग्ज़ाम जो हैं वो ख़त्म नहीं हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। तो कंटिन्यू रखिए अपने आप को और डेली कम से कम एक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ज़रूर लिखिए और उसको जो है टाइप कीजिए। यदि आपको हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन और डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।